Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today's video, short, quick, simple video on homemade body wash. Now if you watch the foaming hand soap, I will make sure to link it down below. You will notice a lot of the same ingredients that were used in that video that will be used in this video. They're all natural, healthy, non-toxic ingredients, perfect for using and protecting our skin. We'll go over what we have in front of us, we'll put it together, and you will have your own homemade, all-natural body wash. So the first thing we're gonna go over is the bottle. Now I bought a 12-pack of these a couple years ago when I made my own vanilla, and I only needed a couple of them, so I had several jars left over. These have worked out perfectly for the body wash. The bottle originally came with a cap, but I went ahead and bought the pump nozzles to go into the bottle, and like I said, this works out perfect for myself when using the body wash. We have the bottle, we have vegetable glycerin, unscented Castile soap, and avocado oil. I also have essential oils in front of me. I've got peppermint, lavender, rosemary, and geranium. I will be using those four. Once again, you are free to make whatever blend you prefer. You don't even have to put essential oils in them. If you wish, you can get scented Castile soap and just use that for your scent, or you can just have an unscented body wash. Now that we've went through our ingredients, let's go ahead and put this together. So you will notice I grabbed another bottle of this just because I want to show you once we get done, this recipe will fill this bottle pretty full, and I want to be able to show you what it looks like and shaking it, because this recipe, before each use, you do need to kind of give it a little shake as the oils will separate. So they just need a quick shake before you use it in your bath or wash. Let's go ahead and get started. We're going to use 1 cup of Castile soap, and I'm going to try to split this between the two bottles evenly. Put about a half of a cup in here, and we'll put about a half a cup in the other bottle. Now, if you're wondering about SUDS, will there be SUDS? Yes, there will be. I'm guilty of it as much as others. If I don't see SUDS, if there aren't bubbles, then my head wants to tell me you're not getting clean, it's not doing its job. That is not true. You are still cleaning, you are still doing a job. I know with the homemade laundry soap, there weren't bubbles, there weren't suds, and it was, are the clothes getting done? Are they getting clean? They are. In this recipe, you will have a lather, you will have suds. The next thing we're going to add is avocado oil. We will have 3 tablespoons of avocado oil. The avocado oil is a good moisture locking addition to the soap. That is what's leaving your skin nice and smooth. Lastly, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of vegetable glycerin. So now that we have these in, all we have left is to add our essential oils. We're going to add 5 drops of each oil of your choice. You do not have to use the 4 that I listed. Those are just the ones that I like to use, whether it be their benefits or their smell afterwards. Tea tree is another good one, antibacterial. Tea tree also works very, very well for lice. So if you've got kiddos that are in school, that is a good oil to keep around if you are into using essential oils. Cannot go wrong with lavender, and you can get lavender scented Castile soap, and you could just have a lavender wash. I like to mix my scents, play around with them. Put the caps on, and that is it. You just made your own homemade, all natural, non-toxic body wash. Now, as I said, before you use it, make sure to give it a good shake. Once this sits overnight, you will notice that it's going to separate, and it will look like this. So you've got the Castile soap on the bottom, and then you've got your oils up here. So if you just give it a little shake, pump it on your washcloth, you will have this homogenized mixture, and all will be well. And that is all there is to it. A few simple ingredients, and you have your own homemade, all-natural, toxin-free body wash. I want to show you the lather that this soap makes. Just gonna pump a little bit of the soap in the wash rag, and you do not have to use many pumps. It will lather with even one pump. And this is the lather that you will get from your homemade body soap. If you like this video and you enjoy seeing all natural, toxin-free recipes that you can use in your own home, make sure to give this video a like. If you are new to the channel, welcome. We would love to have you stick around. Make sure to hit the subscribe button down below. And until next time, we will see you later. Bye.